Hello everyone, myself Dr. Hazel Sheda and I welcome you in my art channel. This is cute little